my name is Sakari Vanderveer, and today I'm going to teach you how to write a piece using a coin toss. You will need your instrument and a coin to flip and a blank piece of paper along with something to write with. Now here I actually have a marker board, that way I can draw it really large and you can see it easily. But all you need is a blank piece of paper, okay? I also have a piano keyboard. You can use your own instrument. In the description below, I'm actually going to put some website links to a virtual piano that you can use online. You can use your computer keyboard to play the notes. And I would encourage you to try that. It's fun to get to know the piano. We use it a lot in learning about music. Okay. Alright, so as we begin, what you're going to need to do with your piece of paper is you're going to take it and fold it and make 4 boxes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it across. Some people like to call that hot dog style, right? And then I'm going to take this and fold it one more time. Okay. So when I open it up, I get 4 boxes like this. Now, I'm going to make the 4 boxes on my marker board. Okay. One here. One line there. Alright, that's the first step. Now, in the top box on the left-hand side, all I'm going to do is place 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are going to be where we will put our notes. It's kind of like, you know, if you have a fill-in-the-blank assignment in class, that's where we're going to put our notes, okay? Now I have my coin here. I'm actually using an app on my phone. You could use a regular coin, of course. I have a quarter on this app. I would just say, if you're going to flip a real coin, make sure you flip it away from your instrument or anything else that could break. Okay. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to attach a rhythm to heads and tails. Now you don't need to write this. In fact, you don't. Okay, I'm just going to put this over on the side so you can see it. So heads, we will do a quarter note. Tails, we're going to do a half note. Now just a quick review, how many beats does a quarter note get? Just 1, right? It's a short note. And tails gets 2. Okay. Or, sorry, a half note gets 2. Alright, okay. So I'm going to flip my quarter. Let's see what we get first. Alright, it is tails. So for tails, I'm going to put a half note in that first space here. Okay? Alright, let's do it again. Heads. Let's put a quarter note. One more time. Heads again. That's another quarter note. And we'll flip one last time here. Heads again. Okay. So we have half note, quarter note, quarter note, quarter note. Let's say that rhythm together on ta. Okay. I'm going to tap to the beat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. And that's our rhythm that we will use for our composition. Stay tuned for part 2, and you'll get to see what else we will do with this.